Well, konnichiwa. This is Crony from Ho로 Live English.
When she arrived, she jump scared me with her beauty.
Right.
Like she was glowing.
Yeah.
It was kind of creepy. She was the last one to arrive, and in Japan, usually most apartments, when somebody rings the doorbell, they have like a camera. So
we were looking at the camera with her hand or something.
I don't want to be seen.
You did actually cover it. I thought it was a malfunction.
It was pitch black. Yeah, we thought it was malfunctioning.
What's gonna be? What's gonna be?
To surprise us with her very successful diet. Oh my God, she.
I'm shy.
But she looks so ladylike today. Like wow.
And you're always pretty. Yeah?
No. Can I switch places? I'm getting nervous next time.
I am cooked.
I don't know why. Why are you cooked already?
I'm cooked already.
It's because she's cooking.
Yeah, I'm
It's because they're so hot. They burned you.
Iris is also hot. We're all hot.
We're all hot chickens.
Yeah,
Chicks.
pretty
We're all hot chicks.
Okay.
I do think this is a quite mature lineup.
Is it?
Adult ladies.
I guess there's no. Oh, I almost said. There's no. You know.
I know what you mean.
Yeah.
There's no small.
There's no
booty
small,
girl
flat-chested girls.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only adults. This is an R18 stream.
What?
I forgot.
Did anybody here now meet for the first time? You
In person?
You too, right? Yeah. Yeah, you meet. What's your impression? Because my first impression of Laura was that she looks and like her whole aura is rich. She looks rich. I don't know why.
Ojo-sama?
Ojo-sama?
Ojo-sama, it's time for bed.
It's time to go
Please
to
stop.
bed.
Got to go to bed.
Can you sing the lullaby for me?
How does it go again? It's time to go to bed. Yale yale. Yale yale does it.
Yale.
So,
I find Connie so beautiful.
You stole my line. You're
Thank you for coming to my cramped place. We're all sitting on my bed right now. I moved it because I don't have enough chairs, but I have this big ass bed. We're all cozying up together.
Yeah, it's very cozy. Iris Senpai's touching me.
Oh wow! They're fighting! No violence,
I
please!
am body slamming her right now.
I guess.
I bought one of those.
Sounds scary, yeah.
Sounds terrifying.
What?
Like endoscope, like Bluetooth.
A Bluetooth?
Oh yeah, the little thing. Yeah.
To put where?
In your ear.
You use it?
Yeah.
On the Bluetooth you get on your phone like a picture?
Yeah.
Ew!
Like video.
Oh my god!
Video.
I don't know if you saw before, but during my 3D debut time, I was getting sick and I went to the doctor in Japan and they went with a camera into my throat and the picture that they took I posted. So I feel like
they put it through your nose, right?
yeah. So in that spirit, how about you take a picture of your inside of your ear and post it online? No?
My ear's pretty clean.
That's fine and then
In
show
that
it.
case, then there should be no shame in
Nothing to
showing.
hide.
It's just that it's like that's such an intimate part of me. They get to see like the deeper parts of me. And
Quite literally.
Will you show me then?
I mean,
Your deeper parts?
like my deeper parts.
Inside her body.
I want to look inside.
You want to see inside me?
Only if you consent to letting me see. Give me a Bluetooth connector thingy.
Why don't we play this amazing game? Maybe Iris, we should give them some space.
Yeah.
Maybe.
They can have some alone time.
I'm surprised that you bought that. That's fascinating.